Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct the part 12 of toy plane assembly in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial, we are going to make the pilot part. Double click this. So this will be the pilot part. Now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Take here 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take here line command. From the center point, make a straight line, escape, go to circle command, and here make a circle of diameter 20. Okay, go to dimension, define this as 26 plus 19. Okay, now here go to the arc command, or first take the line command, make one profile like this, one here, perpendicular line, and escape. Go to arc command, make a joining arc here, go to tangent constraint, select this, go to dimension, define this straight length as 26 mm and define this arc as 12 mm. Okay, go to the coincident, select this point, select this line. Now this is fully constrained. Now here go to dimension, you can define this also, so it will give if we define this, it will get over constrained. Cancel. Now here go to trim this profile, trim this profile and this profile. Okay, go to line command, make a joining profile here and escape. Now this is a closed profile. Finish sketch. Here you can see, go to revolve command, select this as axis of rotation. Okay, there is any open loop here, so here double click sketch 1, select this line, make it construction, select this line, make it construction. Okay, now we'll find if any open loop is here. Go to line command, make a common line here up to this. Finish sketch. Now try again, revolve. Now you can see this has become a blue, so it will show you that the profile is been closed from all sides. Now select this as center line, so this will revolve, and press OK. Now select this bottom, take here fillet, take a fillet radius of 1 mm and press OK. Okay, now here we'll define the appearance. Okay, so the appearance here will be chestnut. Here you can see chestnut, or you can take any appearance as your wish and save it. Save it as part 12. Okay, so we will try 12 and this will be the pilot. Okay, save it. This will be the final part. For more parts or the previous parts, you can watch the previous videos.